Everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video talking about once again about Pundi X holders doing at this time a very big mistake. So please don't do this mistake and hold your coin at this time. It's time to make a profit with the Pundi X hold at this time. Friends, don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. In this video I will show you the price is occur at this time, and I will show you the latest update of Pundi X. So keep watch this video till the end, friends, and if you are new on my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates, friends. I hope you subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Pundix. As you can see here, 3 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of the Pundix, and if we look the price changes occur in the Pundix. So the last 1 hour price change is positive, the last 1 day price change is negative, the last 1 week change is also negative. It's only the last 1 hour price change is positive. That's means that now Pundix at this time again take a jump, as I show you, friends. So I hope that this jump is a continuously jump of the Pundix, and that will give you good amount of profit in this time, friends. And a lot of holders doing a big mistake on this time, friends, and also on this time, friends, they are doing a big mistake. When the holders see the small falls occur in the Pundix, they sell Pundix at this time, friends. Don't sell before you get profit from the Pundix, friends. As you can see here, I know that every cryptocurrency is fast down for a little time, same like that the Pundix also fast down in this time, friends. But that's not mean that if Pundix fast down that you sell Pundix, friends. No, friends, you have to hold, you have to wait for the big pump, wait for the big jump of the Pundix. As you can see here, after a big fast, now at this time the Pundix is again take a jumping, friends, as you can see here this time, friends. So I hope that this jump is a continuously jump of the Pundix, friends. Don't sell it, and it's time to hold Pundix. Anyways, if we talk about the price change occur in the Pundix in the last 1 day, so negative 0.25% change occur in the Pundix in the last 1 day, and the high price of the Pundix is about 3.06 USD dollar is the highest price of the Pundix in the last 1 day, friends. Absolutely, my prediction about the Pundix is very positive. I hope that they take a high jump in the coming soon days, friends. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box, and kindly, friends, don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel. I will update you every time from this kind of more news and updates, which is very important for all of you. Take care, see you in next video.